Watch this video. Watch this video.
The most annoying one is the Ooni of Ife, who is not even the leader of the Yoruba people. You see, when we start to twist history, all of us know that Oyo Empire existed. The Alaafin of Oyo was the head of the Oyo Empire. And Ife was part of the Oyo Empire.
Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ láàrí, Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ láàrí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹni kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ láàrí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹni kọ̀ọ̀kan.
Entities today are originated when the Oyo Empire fell to the Fulani expansion. Where was the Ooni of Ife? The Ooni of Ife only appeared when they gang up. When they kitiparapọ̀, they gang up. When they gang up against the Alaafin